Hey everyone, this is George. Today I will show you how to assemble this rotary evaporator 201D. Because we have a time limitation, so I already installed the motor and gearbox and this speed regulator and this vacuum gauge. I already installed that. I will introduce you how to install this glass part. Okay, we will start from this glass shaft. It's very easy to install it. Okay, done. Okay, after we install this glass shaft, we will install this ceiling part. It's also very easy. Just put it on the other end of the shaft. Put it inside. Okay, done. Next, we will install this. This one is the condenser. We have to connect this part to the shaft, to the ceiling part. First, we need to put this flange on this part, and then this gasket. Okay, for this one, we should find the right angle, then just fasten it very easy. Okay, done. Next, we will install this receiving flask. It's very easy. Just put it here. And make sure you put the vacuum grease on this bowl and this mouth. Turn it around for the good sealing. Then use this clip to connect them. Done. Next, this one is one. Okay, next, after we install this receiving bottle, we need to adjust the height of the holder. Okay, next we will install this inlet valve, or you can call it a pressure release valve. It is used to add more material inside the receiving flask, or after the experiment we use this valve to release the negative pressure. It's also very easy. Put the vacuum grease on this side and the inner side. Turn it around for several times to make sure it's well sealed. Done. So, okay, the last part is this rotary flask. Same like the receiving flask, we need some vacuum grease on the inner side and on this shaft. Turn them around several times for good sealing. Then use this clip to connect them. Okay, now we have finished the assembling of this RE201D. Thanks for watching.